Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Fernando here from Ostar Motorsports. Today we're going to talk about the new KLM Ice Tank for the G80 and the A90 Supra. So if you've been following the G80 project here at Ostar Motorsports, you probably saw the previous video where we talked about the new turbocharger which was at Apex 7275. Well, we did touch base on what other components are going to be necessary in order for the car to work properly with that new turbocharger or that newfound power. Now, one of those key components is this KLM Ice Tank. So KLM did a great job on this kit. I'm very impressed, very detailed. They have everything you're going to need from start to finish. So all the way from lines, all the fittings, which are nice black. They have the nice KLM logo. And what you'll do is basically you'll install these lines to your upgraded intercooler or intake manifold. And from there, you're gonna run those lines all the way back to the trunk. In the trunk, you're gonna install the tank. The pump is already attached to the tank, so that makes it easier. Now, you're gonna need to route these lines through the trunk and then up to the front of the car, right? So what they did was they came out with this pass-through billet piece where you're gonna use a stencil to put on the trunk, drill out your holes, and then this will line right up without having to think about it much. So overall, they did a great job. I'm super impressed. The finish on this lid is pretty gnarly, very nice. They have a cage here that won't allow any ice to pass through the pump, so that's a plus. They thought about, well, you don't want to get air in the pump, so they brought up the drain line so that it will never get to a point where the pump might catch air. So, I mean, they pretty much thought of everything. It has a nice breather here. Overall, we're very happy with this this ice tank kit. And we definitely recommend it for any of you guys that are thinking about doing something similar. So we know that it's a super nice kit, but why do we need this? Why do we have to put an ice tank in the trunk of my new BMW, right? Well, if you want to make a lot of power on any car that's turbocharged, you want to have the air temps cool down. If the air temps are too high, the car is more prone to knock. In this case, the newer vehicles like the BMW M3, if it sees too much of a hot temperature, it's gonna pull timing. So that means you're gonna lose some power. And if you try to force that timing in there, then you more than likely will blow the gasket or blow the motor. So it is very important that we keep these temperatures down. Not only will it save the engine, but it'll make more power. In stock form, you obviously have your factory tank, which is a very small tank, and it serves its purpose for that amount of horsepower. Actually, if you upgrade the heat exchanger and you upgrade the intercooler or intake manifold, you will be able to get away with about 800, 900 wheel horsepower. But since our goal is 1200 horsepower, we have to go this route. We need more water. We need to get those temps down cooler so that we can make the power that we're looking to do without risking the motor. So that pretty much wraps it up, guys. We wanted to bring you in and show you guys just how nice this kit is that we picked for our car. Super nice, very complete, ready to go. I would recommend it to you if you're going this route. Now, stay in touch because we are going to put in more content and we're gonna show you an after once this is all installed and in the car, we turn on the car. So stay in touch. And if you want one of these kits, we will have it up on the website. So follow the links below. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.